Tired of wrestling with environment-specific configurations that break your FastMCP server across different deployments? You'll see how to eliminate hard-coded authentication settings by letting FastMCP automatically detect and apply provider configurations from environment variables, making your server instantly adaptable to any deployment scenario. This approach keeps your code clean, follows 12-factor app principles, and ensures your authentication setup stays flexible without sacrificing security. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. Hash authentication, automatically configured from environment. MCP equals FastMCP. Name equals my server. This demonstrates the environment-driven configuration pattern for authentication systems. The approach externalizes all provider-specific settings into environment variables, enabling the same code base to adapt to different deployment contexts without modification. What makes this distinctive is its complete separation of configuration from implementation, following 12-factor app principles for modern cloud-native applications. The pattern works by establishing a contract between the framework and the environment. FastMCP automatically detects and loads authentication providers based on standardized environment variable names, with each provider type declaring its own configuration requirements. This creates a declarative system where infrastructure defines behavior, allowing seamless transitions between development, staging, and production environments without code changes. This approach matters because it solves the configuration management problem for distributed systems. By eliminating hard-coded credentials and provider-specific logic from your application code, you gain deployment flexibility and security. The pattern excels in containerized environments, CI/CD pipelines, and multi-cloud deployments where environment variables serve as the natural configuration interface, though it requires discipline to maintain consistent variable naming across teams. Let's break it down line by line. From FastMCP, import FastMCP. This imports FastMCP, the core class for creating AI-callable tools. It bridges your Python functions with AI models by handling serialization, validation, and schema generation. Hash authentication, automatically configured from environment. MCP equals FastMCP. Name equals my server. This instantiates the FastMCP server with automatic authentication from environment variables. The name parameter identifies this server instance in logs and metrics, enabling traceability. Environment-based auth eliminates hard-coded credentials while maintaining security. FastMCP environment-driven authentication. The two-line server initialization hides a sophisticated authentication system entirely configured through environment variables, demonstrating FastMCP's convention over configuration philosophy in action. Environment variables must be set before instantiating FastMCP, or the server will start without authentication. This pattern enables seamless transitions between development and production security configurations.
The server that reads nothing from code knows everything from the environment.